In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to show offline to all friends or contacts on Instagram but actually be online. I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android phone, but if you have an Apple iPhone, not a problem, this is going to work for you also. So you could also watch my video completely till the end. So the first thing is get hold of your phone, and once you do that, open the Instagram application. Once you do that, to the bottom right out here, click on your icon and then get to this page, click on the menu option to the top right. And here you need to do a search for activity. Just put in the word activity, and then the third option, show activity status. Click on that or select that and turn this off. So once you turn this off, what is going to happen is that none of your contacts or your friends on Instagram is going to be able to see you online. They're going to see you as offline or not available. But on the other hand, you are also not going to see the online status for other contacts or friends on Instagram. But this actually helps to maintain a level of privacy. If you are studying or if you are doing something important, you wouldn't want somebody to, disturb you. Even though you want to be online, this is a good option. So you could utilize it without any kind of a problem. I hope this helps, and I hope you got some value from my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.